Me and my buddy, we make it all of this money. Yeah, I know it's rude to be bragging. They never catching us lacking. Me and my buddy, we working hard for this money. You know I've been in my bag, yeah. Buddy, I got it like that, yeah. Y'all better stop. Me and my boy gon' climb to the top. Sidekick game like Calvin and Hobbes, yeah. Batman and Rob. Y'all know me, I'm down for the cause.
Y'all know us, we start the party. Go way back like Doc and Marty. Either die legend like John Lennon or end up solo like Paul McCartney. Let's go.
W's only, there's obvious signs.
Looking around me, it's hard to deny.
Yeah. I mean, just look at the audience size.
Robbing you blind like Bonnie and Clyde.
Y'all do too much just to fit in.
Ah, was hast du dir gekauft?
Baguette. Ein ganzes Baguette.
Me and my buddy, we make it all of this money. Yeah, I know it's rude to be bragging. They never catching us lacking. Me and my...
Wie ihr eigentlich spätestens jetzt erkannt haben müsst, wir sind in Paris zu einem ganz, ganz besonderen Event. Dazu aber morgen natürlich mehr. Ich hoffe, ihr habt ganz, ganz viel Spaß mit diesem Video.
Boom, lights, camera, action. Do a big boy, I'm talking Miss Jackson.
Bury those beats, yeah, I'm feeling like Braxton. Good Jewish boy, cause I always pay taxes.
I've been on a mission.
Guten Morgen. Wir befinden uns in Meckes, gehen frühstücken und gleich geht die Reise los.
You got me feeling so high. Yeah. I could all night. Yeah. And it ain't gon' stop. Nah. No, it ain't gon' stop. Nah. So the mood was high, the music was live. I was holding on your booty, looking you in the eye.
Sie ist jetzt auch mit Öhrchen ausgestattet. Ich würde mal sagen, dann kann es ja jetzt endlich losgehen, ne? Big Thunder Mountain. Big Thunder Mountain, richtig geiles Teil.
By the bar, drinking holy water, California marijuana. She just wanna party, but I'm higher than an astronaut. I got feelings I can't bottle up. I just wanna love, but these girls, they just wanna fuck. I'm talking good problems. Been ducking shots, I ain't talking same problems. I ain't jacking chains, but I would rob them. I may take your spot and I ain't stopping. Said I ain't gon' stop. No, I ain't gon' stop.
Initiating launch in 3, 2,
Je déteste les
Habe ich etwas Tränen in den Augen. Vermutlich. Und es ist einfach, die Musik macht es. Ich bin so ein Mensch, bei mir, da kann etwas noch so scheiße sein, wenn der Soundtrack gut ist, dann finde ich das geil. Und ich kann mit Avengers gar nichts anfangen, aber holy shit, der Soundtrack ist jedes Mal das Neue so geil. Ich glaube, ich gehe nochmal direkt rein.
Vous ouvrez cette porte avec la clé de l'imaginaire.
Zur diesjährigen Show. Ist ganz cool, schöne Effekte und alles. Aber wer sich nochmal an den alten Vlog erinnert, ich habe ja geheult ohne Ende. Es war so verdammt episch und diesmal war es halt nur okay. Absolut schade, aber trotzdem eine klasse Show.
Been a long time coming. Put it all down for you. All or nothing. Ask myself. Oh,
worth it? Was it worth it now? Was it worth it?
Yeah, it was worth it cause I came up, I never changed up. Thought it made a lot of sense and then I saw the pay stub. And now I'm paid up, I'm J'd up, ballin' with the legends like I'm Caleb. I met 1,000 people but nobody like the day ones. I write it, record it, promote it, then show it. They know it, got the mind of a poet. I'm loaded and flowing like oceans when I come in. You know when they zoning, they blowing, they on a bow and going while I'm whipping in the foreign. Cause I'm foreign but I'm in it now, never quitting now. Took a little while but my team winning now. My phone ringing now, yeah they told me I should slow it down, I should slow it down. But my mind is never resting, overload, I can't control it now. It's been a long time coming, a long time running. I graduated college, now it's all or nothing. Man, I could have been your dentist, but I'm flossing on my own. And I'm killing every rapper and I'm coming for the throne.
Been a long time I'm coming. Was it worth it? Was it worth it now? Was it worth it?
Yeah, it was worth it through the second guessing, learning every lesson, turning nothing into blessings. Now I'm doing everything I ever questioned, and I did it how I want it. They chasing while I run it. You're never gonna catch me like it's raining while I punt it. And I'm 20, but I'm feeling like a millie. Papa had to move to Philly just to work and pay my billies while I'm trying to sign a dilly. And I know it's coming soon. If I see it in my mind, then I know it's coming true.
On the road.
Okay, yeah, you know I get it.
On the go.
To the top is where I'm headed.
Also wirklich die letzte Fahrt.
Hallo.
Wir sind allein!
Yeah, they don't wanna see you shine 'cause they not confident alone. All the insecurity, they gon' be spreading through the phone. That's why I'm like a fucking ghost.
Das war sie also. Ich wünsche euch alles Gute. Vielen Dank fürs Zusehen. Und macht's gut. Wir sehen uns beim nächsten Vlog. Macht's gut, Leute. Ciao.